Hello, my name is Ethan Casaday, and this is a time-lapse photography showing road-to-trail conversion. Road-to-trail conversion occurs where vehicle access is no longer needed and the road alignment is suitable for a trail. The first step in road-to-trail conversion is the bulldozer will rip or decompact the surfaces as well as incorporate or till in organic matter. The bulldozer also begins creating an outslope and pulling fill material away from the edge and up against the cut slope, as well as cleaning up the surface for better access for the excavator. Now down the road a little further, we see the excavator working. The excavator reaches over the edge of the road, grabs fill material, and places it up against the cut slope. The excavator also retrieves mulch from the forest nearby and spreads it around on that newly recontoured slope. The excavator also roughs in the trail tread and can use the back of the bucket to smooth out the trail and give a little bit of compaction. You can start to see here where I followed with hand tools to clean up the trail. The excavator also grabs big wads of brush and sweeps the road surface to smooth out the recontoured slope. In this area, natural revegetation will quickly take hold on this recontoured slope. And that's road to trail conversion.